Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Do you need to recover your X account, formerly known as Twitter, but can't remember your username? Don't worry, you've come to the right place. A lot of people forget their usernames, but the good news is, you can still get back into your account easily. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to recover your account without needing your username. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone or go to the X website using your preferred browser. Whether you're on a mobile device or a computer, the process is pretty much the same. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link or button and tap or click on it. Now you'll be asked to enter the email address or phone number associated with your X account. Even if you've forgotten your username, X can still locate your account using the contact information linked to it. Go ahead and enter the email or phone number you believe you used when signing up. Once you've submitted that info, click on Search. If an account is found, X will show you some partial details like a few letters of your username or your profile name just to help you recognize it. If it looks familiar, you're on the right track. Next, choose how you want to receive the password reset instructions. You can either get a link sent to your email inbox or a text message with a reset code. Pick the option that's most convenient for you and check your inbox or messages. Once you've received the reset email or SMS, follow the instructions provided. If you received an email, click the reset link inside. If you received a text message, enter the code in the box shown on the site. Then create a new password. Make sure it's secure, unique, and easy for you to remember. Confirm the new password and you're good to go. After resetting your password, you can now log into your X account using the email or phone number you entered earlier. No need for your old username. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, press the notification button as well. Share this video with anyone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.